Welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Priscilla Asade. Today I am going to teach you English grammar of grade 3. Students, do you remember what we have learned in the last session of grammar? Yes, we have learned lesson number 11, that is adjectives. So can you recap that or recall what we have learned? Yes, adjective means adjective describes the noun. So today what we are going to learn? We are going to learn lesson number 12. Are you excited what is there in the lesson? In today's lesson, we are going to learn about comparisons. In comparison, we are going to learn two things. First is comparison between two things or person, and the next thing is comparison between two or more things. Comparison between two things or person means when we compare a particular person with the other person, and the next thing when we compare a particular person with many of the persons. Okay, so today lesson number 12 we are going to start. Open Fun with Grammar book, page number 35. So as we will open the book, you have to just look on the screen. Just keep your books open but look on the screen. Are you ready, students, for lesson number 12? Yes, our lesson number 12 is comparisons. Now you have to read these sentences. What is the first sentence? Varun is a tall boy. See, in our last lecture or in our last session, what we have learned? Adjective. Yes or no? So, Varun is a tall boy. So, tall. What is tall here? Yes, it is the original form of adjective. Next. Aman is taller than Varun. Now, can you see here, student? Aman is taller than Varun. Means here how many persons are there? Two persons are there. Aman and Varun, and we are comparing Aman with Varun. So what we are doing? We are comparing two things or two person. Yeah, we are comparing only two persons. Okay, so the first thing which we are going to learn is comparison between two things or person. One more sentence I will show you. Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. Now here what you can see, students? See, we are comparing Mohan with the other boys on the class. There are many boys in the class, and in all that boys, who is tallest? Mohan. Means we are comparing Mohan with more than 2 or 3 persons in the class. So students, what we are going to learn today? Yes, we are going to learn comparison between two persons, and then next we are comparing the Mohan, or we are comparison between more than 2 persons or things. So are you ready, students? Shall I start? This was only an introduction. Now first thing what we are going to learn? Yes, we are going to learn comparison between two things or person. Again I will repeat, the first thing which we are going to learn in this lesson is comparison between two things or person. I will show you some examples. Now here, Aman is taller than Varun. Now you can see here, he is Aman and he is Varun. So who is taller here? Aman. So here we can see only two persons are there. So taller is what? Yes. Taller means we are going to compare Aman with Arun, and taller is the adjective wherein we have added the word er. Okay. Next. Now here if you will see, Nakul's sharpener is bigger than yours. We can say this is Nakul's sharpener and this is your sharpener. Okay. So if you will see here, two sharpeners are there. Here we are comparing two sharpeners. Okay. One is big, another one is small. So which word we have used to compare? Yes, we are going to use the original. We are going to use the adjective big, and what we have done? We have added er for that adjective. So Nakul's sharpener is bigger than yours. Now here, my eraser is smaller than yours. This is your sharpener and this is your friend Shopna. So how we are going to say when we are comparing two eraser, two things or eraser, how we are to say, what word we have used? Smaller. We are not going to say small. Small is the original form of adjective, but when we are comparing the two things or two person or two animals, whatever, whenever we are comparing the two things, that time we are going to use er with the original form of the adjective. So understood, students? 3 examples I have taught you. Aman is taller than Varun. Here two persons are compared. Here sharpeners are compared, and here eraser are compared. Okay, so comparison between two things or person. Aman is taller than Varun, my eraser is smaller than yours, and Nakul's sharpener is bigger than yours. So can you see which word I have underlined? Yes, taller, smaller and bigger. And in all these 3 words, which alphabets are similar? Yes, er is similar, means we have added er to the original form of the adjective. So when we compare two person, things or animals, so what we do? We use er form of the adjective. What we are going to use? We are going to use er form of the adjective. Again I will repeat, students. When we compare two person, things or animals, we use er form of the adjective. Examples? Yes, taller, smaller, bigger. Can you see here, students? Taller, bigger, smaller. Okay, taller, smaller and bigger. So when we are comparing two persons, things or animal, so what we have to add to the original form of the adjective? Er. This you have to keep in your mind. So here the same thing, it has been written when we compare two things or persons. So what we are going to do? We use er form of the adjective. And not only that, we also use than, then. Can you see over here, students? Yes, along with er we are going to use than, then. Understood, students, what I have taught you now? Yes, I have taught you that when we are comparing two person or things, only one thing you have to keep in your mind, we have to add er, and then in that we have to add than also. Now there are some big words, okay, which cannot be used for comparison. Big words which cannot be used for comparison by adding er. So that time what we have to do, students? Yes, we have to add more before these words. Okay? Again I will repeat that there are some big words which cannot be used for comparison by adding er. That time what we have to do? Yes, we have to add more before these words. Now for example, see, comfortable. Yes or no? So we can't say comfortable. Yes or no? So that time what we are going to use? More comfortable. Next is what? Beautiful. So what word I have used over here? More beautiful. So whenever you are comparing two persons, animals or thing, if the word is big, that time we are going to use the word more. I hope you have understood what I have taught till now. I have taught you comparison between two things or person. In that what I have taught you? That you have to use er form of the adjective. Okay, and when the words are big, that time we are going to use more. Only these two things you have to keep in your mind when you are comparing two things or person. Now the next, comparison between more than two things or persons. So first we have finished. Now we will move on to the second. Okay, that is comparisons between more than two things or person. Now example we will see, students. What is this? Mouse, cat, elephant, dog and tiger. Now in all these animals, students, can you tell me which is the largest animal? Yes, elephant is the largest animal. Means what I am doing here? I am comparing elephant with the rest of the animals. Here more than 2 animals is there. I am not comparing the elephant with only cat or tiger, but I am comparing elephant with rest of the animals. There are many animals, but in all that, who is the largest? Yes, elephant. So comparison between more than 2 things or person we are learning. So elephant is the largest of the animals. So elephant is compared with the rest of the animals, that is more than 2. Understood? This was one of the example. Next, Mania is the tallest girl. If you will see, here so many girls are there. Okay, so we will consider this girl is Mania. So in all these girls, who is tallest, students? Yes, Mania. So Mania is compared with how many girls? 1, 2, 3, 4. So who is tallest in this? Mania is the tallest girl. So tallest is what? Yes, we are comparing more than 2 things of person. So we are adding est with the original form of the adjective. Now here, third example. The red box is the largest of all the boxes. Can you see here how many boxes are there, students? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And in all these boxes, which box is big one or large one? Yes, this is the large one. So when I am comparing, that time I am using est with the original form of the adjective, and I am comparing this box with the rest of the box or with all the boxes. Okay. So we can read this sentence. Elephant is the largest animal of all the animals. Mania is the tallest girl in the class, and the red box is the largest of all the box. So which words or which alphabets are similar over here? est, est, est means what? When we are comparing more than 2 things or person, that time what words we have to add to the original form of the adjective? Yes, we use est form. So here we have given, when we compare more than 2 things, we use est form of the adjective. And one more thing we have to add. What is that? We also use the with the est forms. Examples here it is given: biggest, smartest and coldest. Understood, students? Now, when there are some big words, when we are comparing between 2 things or person, that time what we have done? When it is a big words, we are going to use more. But here, when we are comparing more than 2 things or person, that time which word we are going to use, students? Yes, we are going to add most, most. Again I will say, some big words cannot be used for comparison by adding est. Okay, so that time what we have to do? We have to add most before this nouns or before these words. We will see some examples. Yes, comfortable, most comfortable. Beautiful, most beautiful. So understood, students, what I have taught you in the second one? Yes, in second this thing we have learned comparison between more than 2 things or persons. So in this what we have to keep in our mind? That we have to add est form of the adjective, and not only that, but when there are big words, we are going to add most, most, and along with that which word is going to come? The. So what we will just revise what we have learned. We have learned 2 things, yes or no? First one, what is the first one? When we compare 2 things, we use er form of the adjective or more with the adjective. Okay, more when the words are big. Example, more important. And we also use than. Again I will repeat, students. We are revising what we have learned. Yes, when we compare 2 things, only 2 things, persons or animals, that time what we are going to add? er form of the adjective. And when words are big, we are going to add more with the adjective. Example I have given, more important, and also we can use THAN. What is the next thing we have learned, students? Yes, when we compare more than two things, okay, so we use EST form of the adjective, and when the words are big, that time we are going to add MOST, most, with the adjective. Example, most important. We also use TH, the, with the EST form, and in this way I have finished my explanation part. Now students, what you can do? You can open your fun with grammar book, page number 35. So that whatever we have learned, you can solve it. Are you ready, students, with your pencil, eraser? Okay. I hope that everyone is having pencil in your hand and you have understood whatever I have taught you. Okay. What is exercise A? Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words given in the brackets. Now, when we read the sentence, first thing what we have learned when we compare two things. So when we read the sentence, you will come to know how many things we have compared, okay, and according to that you have to add EST or ER to the original form of the adjective. So ready, students? This book is dash than that one, and here one adjective is given. So you can see here it is compared with only one. Okay, means two things have been compared. So I am going to use LIGHTER. Okay. Next, Mohan is dash than Sohan. Means what you can say? Yes, here only two persons are compared. And what is the adjective given over here? Strong. And when we are comparing two persons, that time what we are going, which original form, which words we are going to add? Yes, ER form of the adjective. So strong, stronger. I hope that you are writing along with me. Complete your book along with me. Now next, Tarun is dash than his brother. Now here also we can see Tarun has been compared only with his brother. Only two persons are compared. So I am going to add ER. So smart, which is the adjective over here? Smart. So smarter. Hope so you are getting it what I am doing. Next, the aeroplane moves dash than the train. So how many things have been compared here? Yes, only aeroplane and train, two things. So again I am going to add ER. Fast, faster. Next, Rita's hair is dash than Richa's hair. Here also if you will see, only two persons have been compared, that is Rita's and Richa's. Both hair have been compared. So what is the adjective over here? Short. So what word I am going to add over here? Short, shorter. Complete till here. I hope that you have completed till here. Now the next, if you will see in the next page, what is there? Okay, so turn on to page 36, we will solve exercise B. You have to be fast, don't be slow while writing. Now here if we will see exercise B, okay, page number 36. Now what I have told you, that when the words are big, okay, when we are comparing two things, person, animals, and the words are big, so which word we are going to use, which word we are going to add? Yes, we are going to add more, M-O-R-E. So I am dash in this seat than that. Means here also if you can see only two things have been compared. So here comfortable is what? it is a big word. So which word I am going to add? M-O-R-E, more. I am more comfortable in this seat than that. I hope you have written. Next, Jyoti is dash than Meena. Here also you can see Jyoti has been compared with Meena, means only 2% have been compared. And which is a big word over here? Beautiful. So I am going to add M-O-R-E, more. More beautiful. Understood, students, how we have to do? Okay, have you written down? Third, this book is dash than that one. Here also if you can see, here only two things have been compared. This book is compared with that one. So what is the word given over here? Interesting. So it is a big word. So I am going to add M-O-R-E, more. Interesting. Next, this lesson is dash than the next lesson. Again I will repeat my sentence. This lesson is dash than the next lesson. When you read the sentence, you will come to know how many things have been compared. So here we can see this lesson has been compared with the next lesson. Means only two things have been compared. So important is a big word. So again I am going to add M-O-R-E, more, with the word important. Done, students? Okay, next. Our journey to Shimla was dash than our journey to Goa. Means here two places has been compared. That journey to Shimla was dash than journey to Goa. Shimla and Goa has been compared. So what is the word given over in bracket? Exciting. So again I will add M-O-R-E, more exciting than our journey to Goa. Understood, students, what we have done in exercise A and B? Yes, what we have done, we have compared two things, person or animals, and in that we have added only ER form of the adjective, and when the words are big, that time we have added M-O-R-E. Understood? Now we will move on to exercise C. In exercise C, what is there, students? Yes. The next thing what we have learned, that is comparison between more than two things or persons. So what we have learned here, students? Yes, what we have learned, that we have to add EST form of the adjective, and not only that, whenever words are big, we are going to add MOST, most. Ready? Same page. You can see over here. Yes. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words given in the brackets. Now when you read the sentence, you will come to know that how many things has been compared. So are you ready, students? And for the hint or for your help, your words have been given, adjective has been given. Ready? Okay. The red car was the dash among all the cars. And in bracket what word is given? Big. Now if you see here in this sentence, red car has been compared with how many cars? Many cars. Among all the cars, means many cars are there, and in that red car is what? Big. So what we are going to do? EST form of the adjective. That time spelling will be changed. B-I-G, double G will come, and then EST. Okay, here we are comparing more than two things. Done? Okay. Today, second one, today is the dash day of the month. Okay. So, if you will see, in a month how many days are there? 30 or 31 days. So, today is compared with how many days? 30 or 31 days, means many days. Okay, more than two or three persons, three things. Okay, so what is the word given over here? Yes, cold, cold. So, what I am going to do? I am going to use est form of the adjective, coldest. I hope that you are writing along with me. Third, that is the dash building of the area. Means in that area many building is there, and they have compared that building with the many buildings of that area. So tall, tall is the adjective. So what we are going to do? We are going to use est form of the adjective, tallest. Okay, now you can come on to page number 37. Be fast. Veena is a dash of her sisters. Yes, it is a youngest. If you will see, Veena has been compared with many of her sisters. Surya is the dash boy in the class. Yes, smartest. Okay, Surya has been compared with many boys in the class. Okay, now we'll come on to exercise D. If you'll see over here, the words are what do you say, big. So that time what we are going to do when we are comparing with more than 2 or 3, we are going to use most, most. So are you ready, students? Only what we have to do, only we have to add before this word most. So this is the most beautiful. Make comparison using words in the brackets. So you can see this is the dash painting in the exhibition. There are many paintings in the exhibition and only this one is the beautiful one. So what I am going to do? I am going to add most. Second, yesterday's match was the dash match of the tournament. So what again I am going to do? Most exciting. Only you have to add most. Next, this is the dash room of the house. Most colorful. Next, Pia is the dash girl in the class. In full class, this girl is intelligent. So most. Next, this is the dash cartoon I have ever seen. Again, most interesting. Done, students? Okay. Now, when both the things it comes mix. So how you have to select, how you will do, we will see in exercise A. Ready? Exercise E, sorry. Ready, students? So when you are reading the sentence, that time you have to see that how many things or how many persons have been compared. Is it 2? Is it 3? More than 2 or 3. So what is the question over here? Choose the correct words from the bracket. Now Tarun is, okay, Tarun is the dash boy in the class. Okay. So here if you see, Tarun has been compared with many boys in the class. So intelligent, more intelligent or most intelligent. Now if you will see, Tarun has been compared with more boys in the class. So we are not going to use more, we are going to use most intelligent. Intelligent is a big word. Okay. The hair is dash than the tortoise. Here if you will see, hare has been compared only with tortoise, means only two animals have been compared. So what will come? Original form will come? No. Here lazier will come, laziest will not come. So answer is L-A-Z-I-E-R. You can underline it and afterwards you can copy down in the blanks. This quilt is dash than that. This quilt is dash than that. If you will see, two things, this and that, only two things it has been compared. So this quilt is ER form of the adjective. Warmer. Her dress is, see, if you see in this sentence, what is there, students? Her dress is dash. Nothing has been compared. So we will take the original form of the adjective, that is her dress is beautiful. Her dress is not been compared with any of the dresses. Okay. Cotton wool. Cotton wool is dash than paper, and here for hint they have given here, means cotton wool is been compared with the paper. Only two things has been compared over here. So what we are going to do? We are going to take ER form of the adjective. L-I-G-H-T-E-R. Okay, and I hope that you have understood whatever I have taught you today. We have completed comparison between two things or person, and then we have completed comparison between more than two persons. Okay, we'll just see in the animation. Okay, are you ready? Whatever we have learned today, to see that video?
Chapter 12. Comparisons. Read these sentences. Varun is a tall boy. Aman is taller than Varun. We compare Aman and Varun. Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. We compare Mohan and the other boys of the class. Comparison between two things or persons. Aman is taller than Varun. My eraser is smaller than yours. The red sharpener is larger than the green sharpener. When we compare two persons, things or animals, we use ER form of the adjective. Examples: taller, smaller, larger. When we compare two things, we use ER, form of the adjective. We also use than. There are some big words which cannot be used for comparison by adding ER. We have to add more before these words. Example: comfortable, more comfortable. Beautiful, more beautiful. Comparison between more than two things or persons. Read these sentences. 1. Maria is the tallest girl in the class. 2. The blue box is the largest of all the boxes. 3. Vinod is the strongest boy in the class. When we compare more than two persons or things or animals, we write EST, form of the adjective. When we compare more than two things, we use EST form of the adjective. We also use the with the EST form.
So I hope that you have understood whatever I have taught you in today's lesson, that is lesson number 12, comparison. In this what we have learned, students? Two things we have learned. When we compare two things, person or animals. Okay, and the next thing what we have learned, comparison between more than two persons, animals or things. Thank you. Have a good day.